हेलो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज पुरुषोत्तम विश्वकर्मा, योर इंग्लिश टीचर। और आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं सम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू एन एलिमेंट्री स्कूल क्लासरूम इन अ स्लम। ये आपकी फ्लेमिंगो बुक की सेकंड पोयम है। दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू, क्योंकि ये जो भी क्वेश्चन मैंने लिए हुए हैं कभी न कभी किसी न किसी बोर्ड एग्जाम में ये पूछे गए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर वन, what articles do we find on the walls of elementary school classroom? Why cannot the students relate to them? कौन से आर्टिकल उस सौर क्रीम वॉल पे दिखते हैं और जो बच्चे हैं वहाँ के अपने आप को उससे रिलेट क्यों नहीं कर पाते? द वॉल्स ऑफ द एलिमेंट्री क्लासरूम हैव आर्टिकल्स लाइक अ पिक्चर ऑफ शेक्सपियर्स हेड, bald head, and a map of the world. The students there cannot relate with these articles since Shakespeare is a symbol of the elite, whereas they neither have an access to world of literature nor a chance to visit the outside world. How, according to the poet, can the lives of the slum children be made to change? पोएट के अनुसार, स्टीफन हेरोल्ड स्पेंडर के अनुसार, उनकी लाइफ को कैसे बदल सकते हैं? Lives of slum children can be improved if inspector, visitor, and governor take more interest in their lives. If teachers take them out of their classrooms and show them the world, they need to be provided opportunities and resources available to privileged children. Describe briefly the effect of malnutrition and unhealthy atmosphere on the हेल्थ ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन इन द पोएम एन एलिमेंट्री स्कूल क्लासरूम इन अ स्लम। क्या बताना है आपको कि कैसे वो मल नरिज्ड हैं, कैसे अनहेल्दी एटमोसफियर में वो रहते हैं। द मल न्यूट्रिशन हैज़ अफेक्टेड द चिल्ड्रन एडवर्सली। दे लुक पेल एंड वीक विद बेंट बॉडीज दैट आर एज थिन एज पेपर स्विमिंग बॉय। सम ऑफ देम हैव इनहेरिटेड बोन डिजीज, others just wear glum and taciturn faces. How does the poet describe the classroom walls? Classroom walls को poet कैसे describe करता है? According to the poet, the walls of the classroom are discolored and have a faded look which looks like sour cream. The poet compares the faded walls to that of the faces of the children who look pale. So blurred their maps with slums as big as doom, says Stephen Spender. What does the poet want to convey? अब क्या मैसेज देना चाहता है इस लाइन से पोएट? द पोएट इज रिक्वेस्टिंग टू प्रोवाइड अ क्लीन एटमोसफियर. The world maps create just an illusion. He's saying that people of authority or even just a visitor should take the children out and show them open green fields. What does the poet want for the children of the slums? ये poet इन बच्चों के लिए क्या चाहता है? और what does Stephen Spender want to be done for the children of the school in a slum? The poet wants the children of the slum to get rid of the dull and morbid state of affairs of the school. They should be provided with basic civic amenities, proper educational infrastructure, and great accessible opportunities to explore the world outside, with its gifts and bounties. The poet wishes good education for the children of the slums, as he thinks that it is only education that can free these children from the shackles of poverty. In spite of despair and disease pervading the lives of the slum children, they are not devoid of hope. How far do you agree? अभी भी उनकी आंखों में होप है, उम्मीद है। हाउ डू यू एग्री? हाउ फार डू यू एग्री? द burden of poverty and disease crushes the slum children physically. They are denied basic amenities of food, shelter, and education. Despite living in deprivation, these children fight the battle of life courageously. They still dream and hope for a better future, and sometimes even achieve it if they work hard enough with perseverance. The poet says, and yet for these children, these windows, not this map, their world. Which world do these children belong to? किस वर्ल्ड से वो बिलोंग करते हैं? Which world is inaccessible to them? कौन सा वर्ल्ड उनके लिए inaccessible है? In these words, the poet wants to convey that the slum children have never gone out of the slum. So the world map was meaningless in the classroom. It was only through the open window of the classroom that they could see the world outside. So he wants the window to be made bigger and the children to be able to go out and see the outside world for themselves. What is the message that Stephen Spender wants to convey through this poem? क्या मैसेज देना चाहता है पोएट? और what message does Stephen Spender convey through the poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum? Same question. The need is to free the children, liberate them, and bring them into the mainstream by bringing meaningful changes to improve the standard of life and education in these slums. The poet deals with the theme of social injustice and class inequalities. There are two different worlds: art, culture, and literature have no relevance to the slum children. They live in dark, narrow, cramped holes and lanes. Unless the gap between the two worlds is abridged, there cannot be any real progress or development. The children will have to be made mentally and physically free to lead happy lives. How does the poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum portray the children? ये जो पोयम स्लम चिल्ड्रन को कैसे पोर्ट्रे करती है, कैसे उनका चित्रण करती है? The slum children in an elementary school seem hopeless. They are undernourished and diseased. Their unkempt and dull hair has been compared to rootless weeds. One of the girl is apparently burdened and depressed with the miseries of poverty. Another boy has inherited his father's diseases and has stunted growth. They all look pale and weakened, while one of the boys is said to have hungry eyes. उसकी आंखों में भूख है, पढ़ने की, कुछ सीखने की, बाहर की दुनिया देखने की. Now, second last question: how is Shakespeare wicked in the map a bad example for the children of the school in a slum? Both represent a beautiful world and high values which the slum children will have never experienced. Since the slum children cannot relate to these things, there was no point in giving such examples. Moreover, they did not paint a true picture of the reality of life in slum. Now, the last one in this video: what does Stephen Spender want for the children of the slums? स्टीफन स्पिंडर स्लम चिल्ड्रन के लिए क्या चाहते हैं, उनकी क्या इच्छा है, बच्चों के लिए क्या चाहते हैं वो? स्टीफन स्पेंडर wants that some children should be taken care of by providing them facilities to make their survival fit and to gift them the fruits of literacy. He urges people to help these slum children come out of the poverty and oppression of the power. That's all in this video.